Hey folks, welcome to the Shoemakers Academy. I'm Wade the Shoe Dog. I want to show you our sneaker starter kit. And here's the deal. If you have some leather working tools and skills already, and you just want to learn some of the shoemaking parts, then this may be an option for you. This is the shoe you can make. Again, we've got the outsoles for you, but the leather, the laces, the eyelets, you're going to have that stuff yourself. But basically, you can make a high cut or a low cut shoe like this. So let's get into it. So first of all, you got the instructions, and this goes step by step. Scan the barcode; it'll take you right to the full-length video for how to do this. You've got the rubber outsole unit. You can pick 3 colors. We've got black, white, and gum. This is a memory foam footbed. You're just gonna basically cut this to the size you need, right? This is a 5mm memory foam. Good stuff. It also comes with a lasting board. So you're going to put your footbed pattern here, and you could either stroble this or you could use this as the board lasting pattern. Either one. Okay. Now, here's the pattern. It comes connected together like this, and just give this a little snip. And here you've got first piece here. This is the toe tip piece. So this is what makes this part right here. And you've got the lateral and medial quarters. It's got locations marked for the eyelets. It's got 2 different top lines. So this is the high top line, and this is the low cut line here. Just pick whichever one you want to make. Again, these perforations are all 5mm apart. So if you follow those holes and you follow them exactly here, everything's going to go together pretty easily. Pretty easy. Okay. So toe tip, quarter panels. So you've got the lateral and medial side. To make the other shoe, right, you're just going to flip it. Okay. This is your footbed pattern that you'll use to cut your foam. And you'll also use this to cut your lasting board, okay? Left and right. And this is your tongue pattern. You can pick the low cut line or the high cut line. And then this is your little tongue keeper. And then you simply flip this to make left and right. So again, these are the basic parts. If you're already a leather crafter, you may already have the tools you need, and you just need this footbed specific stuff. You need the shoe specific stuff like the lasting board and the footbeds. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot. There's 2 other tools in here. This is a disappearing ink pen, and this is great for tracing out the pattern on your leather. And when you've done tracing and punching, you can hit this with a blow dryer or a heat gun, and these marks will disappear. And then this is the stitching awl, and this is what you're going to use when you do your channel stitching operation. This goes right through the rubber quite easily. This is how you're going to do your sole stitching operation. So this is what comes in it. Again, if you've already have some leather working skills and tools, this may be a great option for you. If you're a beginner and you don't have all the tools and stuff, then you should look into our complete DIY kit. And I'll show you that in a second.